In this video, I will show you how to add pricing table on Wix. First, go to your Wix website editor. Click on Add Apps. Once inside the store, just search for Price Table and click on this app. Now just add it to your site. Then click Agree and Add. After that, your pricing table will be added. You can drag it to section that you want. Now you can edit it by going to Settings. Here you can edit different categories. So just click on the arrow beside one. Now you can change the plan title. You can also change the subtitle. And here you can change the font of your feature text. Also, their color. You can also add in another feature text. You can also edit the button text and add in a button link. And you can also highlight that plan if you want to. Once done, just click on the Done button. You can also delete a category if you want or add in a new one. You can also go to Design. You can change the size and spacing of your pricing table. You can also change the background color, and you can also increase the width of the highlighted section. You can also go to Advanced and add in a custom CSS. And that's just basically it. That's how you add in a pricing table to your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.